Hey guys, it's Lance Clifford with Lance Clifford and Associates at Keller Williams Realty in St. George, checking in from my home office here in Hurricane. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the real estate market as we're headed into 2021. There's some crazy numbers and I thought you might be interested in them. If you've ever thought about selling your home here in the St. George area, there's literally never been a better time. There are lots of buyers lined up and there's no inventory. I'm going to show you how little inventory there is right now. So, and I apologize for talking funny. I just got braces this week at 48 years old. So bear with me with my funny talking. All right, so let's dive right into it. So our summary statistics for the greater St. George area, the absorption rate. We've discussed this before, but basically 3 months of inventory or less is a seller's market. What does that mean? That means if no houses came on the market today, after today, how long would it take for those homes to sell? And if it took 3 months for all that inventory to run out, that means it is a seller's market. Anything less than 3 months or less. Anything from 3 to 5 months would be a balanced market. And above 5 months would be a buyer's market. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at 0.96 months right now. I have never seen that before in my real estate career. Less than 1 month of inventory. That is crazy. In November of 2019, we had 3.02 months. So we we're just a smidgen over a seller's market back then. That's a 68% change, just in case you were wondering. Now, what about our median list price? We're going to skip over the average because there's been a lot of luxury homes coming on the market and actually selling. So let's just ignore those for right now and go straight to median. That takes the top price homes and the bottom price homes off of our, and gives us kind of the meat and potatoes of what's out there available in the St. George area. So the median list price is $519,000 as of November 2020. And back in November of 2019, it was $410,000. So that's a 26% gain. And that is insane, right? That's a $109,000 price increase for the same home in 1 year. The median sales price, pretty darn close and percentage-wise. So in November 2020, the average sales price was $391,000. In November of 2019, it was $330,000. That's an 18.5% gain. That's crazy. That's a lot of money to be made. That's a salary, right? A year's salary. So the median days on market, crazy as well. Back in 2019, of November, it was 21 days, which is fast, right? Well, guess what? In November 2020, it's 9 days. That's a 57% drop. So if your house is priced correctly, it's gonna sell really quick, so you better be ready. All right, so let's skip to the next graph. And this is just kind of a visual graph of what we've been talking about as far as inventory goes. And you can see that back in, say, April of 2020, there was almost 1,100 homes available in Washington County for sale. Now there is less than 400. Again, less than a month's inventory. So that is insane, right? It's just amazing. And you can see that the sold listings haven't changed. Even though there's way less inventory, the same amount or more homes have sold last month than, say, in March of 2020, or even way more than in December and January of this year. Let's take a look at the sold to list ratio now. So the sold to list ratio is basically how much your home is listed for versus what it sells for. And back in February, it was about 97%. And now it's almost 100%. It's up above 99%. So people are getting what they're asking for their homes. And that is always good news, right? Then the last chart I want to show you is just the sold listings based off of prices. So you can see that from the $0 to $300,000 price range, less homes have sold versus last year. And why is that? Well, it's because home prices have gone up. So the average home price has increased. So you can see that from 300,000 and up there's been more homes sold. versus last year, and that's because home values have gone up. Look at the $1 million to $2 million price range. So last year in 2019 of November 2019, 2 homes sold in that price range. This year, November 2020, 21 homes sold in the $1 to $2 million price range. That's a 950% increase. Year to date in that price range, in 2019, there was 49 homes sold in the $1 to $2 million price range. This year, 108. That's a 120% increase. Incredible, incredible, incredible. I just wanted to share those numbers with you. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at lanceclifford@gmail.com. Give me a call or text 435-200-5508, or check out our website, www.stgeorge.properties.